Welcome back to the Compressor Guru. Real quick, short, non-monetized episode. Just wanted to update you. I've got my knee replaced January 15th. We're several months out. I have full release to go back to work. We've been working. We've been catching up. And I wanted to do a special thank you to Drayer Physical Therapy Institute of Philipsburg. Lori there is the general manager, and in my rehab time there, I think I had every therapist that works there work on me, and they were wonderful. I had about 4 weeks of therapy 3 times a week, and I was good to go. I was fully released in 6 weeks from my doctor to do anything I wanted. I'm still getting a little bit more strength back, but life is good. Couple other quick updates. The camera wife, her mother passed away very recently. Everything's done. Funeral's over. This in the short run, there's some grieving, but we know this is a blessing because she's at home with her Savior, Jesus Christ. Last update for the day, Eric, the electrical guru, has had his shoulder replaced and is at Drayer Physical Therapy Institute regularly getting his therapy so he can get back to work. He's been doing a little bit of consulting for me, but he's down, and if you wouldn't mind saying a prayer for his recovery, we appreciate that. This is a very, very short episode, but we had to say thank you. Thank you, Lori, and all the therapists at Drayer. You sure treated us good there in Philipsburg, PA. I'm not giving you more information than that, but if you're in this part of Pennsylvania, they are very much a great place to go if you need some rehab or prehab. God bless. Have a great day. Bye.